that way. All right, ready?
I don't understand over, but I want your voice in it.
You want my voice? I can't sing, but I'll try. I know some of the.
Nobody can sing.
I know some of it. Wine, that's amore. What's up, boys and girls? 702 from Las Vegas to you, coming back at you one more time with another room review, boys and girls. We are super excited to bring this one to you. We're one of our favorite destinations in the whole wide world. You never guess where we are. Back in Las Vegas, that's right. This time we're staying right on the Strip. We got a wonderful room for you tonight. We are at the Venetian, one of my favorite hotels, right in the heart of the Strip, right where everything is, right where all the action is. One of the best places to stay. Beautiful hotel. I gotta show you. The walk up here was amazing. The architecture, simply amazing. Tons of great restaurants, awesome bars. Got the pools, got Tao pool, got an adult pool topless. So this hotel has got it all. So we're excited to bring this one to you. Today we're staying in just a standard room. The only upgrade we got on this room is it has a view. You know, recently some of my past videos, I wanted to show you some off-strip properties, some cheaper alternatives. And so I put at least 3 of them up there. That was the Cancun, the Palms Place, and the Platinum Hotel. Got those uploaded. Please check out those videos if you want. This time I wanted to get back on the Strip. One of my highest rated videos is the MGM room. So that one does very well. So I wanted to show you another classic Vegas property. And once again, we're at the Venetian. Room 422 on the 13th floor. Let's check it out. All right, boys and girls, stepping into the room. The first thing we see on the right is our bathroom. There we go. Dual vanities, his and hers. We got a little makeup table for the wife. Great lighting. Step on inside. Come across, there's your bathtub, your shower. I've been in some Venetian rooms. They do have bigger showers than this one, but not bad. There we go. Check out his and hers vanities. Great lighting for the girls in their makeup, and then there's your own throne. Got a door on it, and there's your toilet. So very nice. All right, walking back out of the bathroom. Here we are in the main room once again. So there's your sleeping area, there's your bed. Great king size bed, super comfy. Got some storage, some end tables right there. Your closet is right here to the right. Let's check out the closet. Automatic lights. There you go. Some hangers, luggage rack, room safe. Got ironing, got robes. We're fancy now. Ironing board, got it all. Looking back into the room, check these doors. Let's come around over here. And there you go. Dresser drawers, plenty of dresser drawers. Got TV on the wall, very nice. And you come here to your sunken down living room. And we're gonna start off with a couple chairs right here. Got a couch. Got a desk over there. Got another table over here. Maybe have a little dinner. Room service. Let's come over here. Let's check out the TV on the wall. More cabinets and drawers for storage. And of course you got your things you got to pay for. In there on top and also in the bottom. This one is paid. Anything you touch and get out of there, you're going to pay for. They're just waiting. They're just begging you. Come take it. Come take it. Sample it. Sample it. It's going to cost you an arm and leg. Looking back into the room, there you have it. Sleeping area, living area right here, boys and girls. Plenty of rooms. Great room. Love it. We are here at the Venetian. Let's take a look outside. Sun is setting on a Friday night. Looking right across to the Mirage, the clock tower. There's Treasure Island. Will we be able to see the volcano from here? I think, oh my God, the volcano's right there. We're gonna have amazing views of the volcano. Sweet. And there you go. Here is Caesar's Palace. The Rio off in the distance. Friday evening, boys and girls. Vegas is just coming alive. Give me an awesome night. Gotta make sure to check out that volcano. It's a free show. Whenever you're in Las Vegas, a couple of free shows you have to see. The fountains at Bellagio. Every 30 minutes, I think it's every 15 minutes, they're always going off. You can see those all night long till midnight. The other is right across from the Venetian. It's the Mirage, it's the volcano. Only goes off 3 times a night, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Lines form. Many people show up early. Make sure you get there early. Get yourself a good spot. It's an amazing sight. It's been going on since the mid-90s. Every day, people line up to see it. The only time it doesn't go off is there's high wind. And I think there's red lights that will flash if that's the case. Same thing with the fountain. So plenty of great free things to do in Las Vegas. Not to mention just walking the strip with all those people. One of the best places in the world to people watch, hands down, boys and girls. You'll love it. Make sure you come to Vegas and check us out. We always are open to you. Want you to come, have a great time. We want to take good care of you as well. We love our tourists in Las Vegas. We have sports now, the Golden Knights. We got WNBA basketball, the Aces. We got semi-pro baseball now, the Oakland Aviators out in Summerlin, about a 20-minute drive. We got a brand new ballpark right next to the Golden Knights practice facility. And our biggest thing coming up next year, the Raiders are moving to town. Can't wait for that September of 2020. Oh, and I got tickets. I got Raiders tickets. I got Golden Knights tickets. I got all kinds of tickets. You ever need tickets, drop me a line as well. I can usually hook you up as well. I am the man. I am Mr. Vegas, boys and girls, coming back at you. 702 from Las Vegas to you. Thanking you once again for your support. We're going to have a great weekend. I'm going to share this with you. I really, really look forward to sharing this with you, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you very much.